Hello, so as you can see I got this Japanese magazine today and I of course bought it because it's 방탄소년단, BTS, Bangtan Boys on the cover and of course inside the magazine. Haven't seen those pictures yet, but yeah, so I love this cover. So the front and the back. I'm sure there's some artists here I won't recognize since it's a Japanese magazine, but still, yeah, okay, so okay, we got the front right here. Ooh, Bangtan. Oh my gosh, these, I wish that, I did not expect these kind of awesome pictures to just, there's, okay, this is like a photo book. Yeah, and stuff that I can't read, it doesn't matter. These are some great pictures. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. I just want to check so I didn't jump page anywhere. No, I didn't jump page. Okay. Just want to make sure. Oh my gosh. Look at that picture itself. I mean, this is a big magazine too. These are like big pictures. Oh, okay. They all look so grown up here. I like that. No, the balloon is in the way. Or, yeah, it's balloons, whatever. No. No. Oh my, seriously, this photo shoot. It is not like a magazine, it's more like photo book. Wow. I did not imagine it would be this great, but it was. Okay. Okay. Oh. But it is, I mean, yes. Reborn. No, please, you're already young enough as it is. Oh. Okay. You're like through half the magazine and there is so many pictures of Bangtan. How? Yeah. Oh, we got some Super Junior. Super Junior. These are some really high quality pictures. Thick pages too. Really like the quality of this magazine. Oh, EXID. Nice. Ooh, hair flip channel. No? Yes? Yes. Let's see. Dio Chanel Pekin. There we go. Pekin. Epic hair flip. It's like, yeah. Pekin and Chanel epic hair flips. Totally. Oh, Ganamkara, winner. There's quite a lot of K-pop in this as well. Mimi Luppy. And then of course Bangtan. And here we got some J-pop. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh. That is one close-up picture. Wow. Have some amazing photographers for this magazine. Wow. These are really high quality pictures. Oh, cross jean. Nice. Oh, gosh. They're often different K-pop groups. I was like, what the... Ah! My gosh. Huh. Really, really nice pictures. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I wish I could read this. Love that one. Ah, okay, so there are two magazines in one. This AJ, I'm really sorry if I mispronounced that. AJ and the Star. Ooh. This is the first collaboration magazine of those two. Nice. And this is something to send in. Yes, I'm not in Japan. Oh, no. Oh, so that was everything. Okay, I'm really, really happy I bought this one. I bought it from CDJapan. Decided to get it from a Japanese store. Well, highly recommended. Definitely a lot of pictures. Not too much written. Totally my style. Definitely, yes. So that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry about my weird reactions. Okay, bye!